Hi everyone, Raja here. So in this video, we are going to see about a trade that we took in Audjpy around 2 weeks back. So not 2 weeks back, it's around 4 days holding trade. So let's get into the video. So here, if you are seeing in this chart, price as usual, price is expecting each bullish PDRA, and it is finally moving towards this higher time frame round liquidity, which is weekly, sorry, weekly swing high, and finally the monthly bearish OB, which is judged here. So yeah, so our ultimate targets should be these swing highs and the final this PDRA, higher time frame PDRA. So while we were planning for the entry, we were seeing the potential opportunity between this range. Yeah, this is our tradable range, and we need to capture this move. This is what we planned initially when we before seeing this price move. Okay, so while framing the entry for that price move, we eventually found out this weekly bullish OB, which is an A plus OB because it has formed from previous OBs throughout the. You can see in this bullish move up move like from price is expecting each and every bullish PDRA, and currently it has respected from this daily bullish OB, sorry, weekly bullish OB, and it has formed currently this bullish OB. So ideally, price should take support from this weekly bullish OB, and it should further go higher. So this was our initial trade plan. So as usual, what we did was like uh, as soon as this new week opens, we just placed our limit order here, and we just placed our SL here, and we targeted till this swing high, not actually this low. We placed our SL, I guess, somewhat when it for weekly trade we got around 1:1 or okay, and yeah, this was our trade in weekly time frame, and in daily time frame, yeah, we kept our SL around this body's close, so it was around 1:1. This is a separate trade, okay, this is in weekly, and in daily time frame, what we observed is like after this weekly OB has been tapped here, we saw another engulfing candle here. Okay, you can see this candle has engulfed this bearish candle. So this confirmed an A plus OB which has formed from weekly bullish OB. So this is the daily OB which got formed from weekly bearish, sorry, weekly bullish OB. So yeah, so again we just positioned ourselves from this daily bullish OB, and we placed our SL to this swing low, daily swing low, and we have the same target, which is this one. Yeah, so this daily trade was around 1 is to 1.5 or 1.6, and the weekly trade is around 1 is to 1. So together we captured around 2.5 R in this singular price up move. Okay, so that's all for this video. And yeah, the strategy is very simple, and the trade idea or framing the narrative for every trade is more or less similar. Just analyze the higher time frame bias based on the key levels and the swing points which are easy to be achieved by the price, and just position yourself accordingly. And once you have positioned correctly in higher time frame, then in lower time frame, what I mean here is daily time frame. So once you have positioned correctly in weekly time frame, then your drawn liquidity is fixed, and the price will anyhow reach your drawn liquidity. The drawn liquidity should be sensible. You should not target very exorbitant targets. You should target the low hanging fruits. In ICT terms, you can say you can target the low hanging fruits or the nearest point of liquidity. So that is why actually, to my knowledge, we initially targeted till this monthly bearish OB. Yeah, till this monthly bearish OB, we were initially targeting, but in later point of time, we came to know that we have a weekly swing high here. This is a weekly swing high. So yeah, anyhow, price will eventually move towards this monthly bearish OB, and ultimately all the liquidity pockets which are residing above. But our question is like, how long can you wait to reach till this upper DOLs? So that is why we first initially targeted all this monthly bearish OB. And once we came to know about this weekly swing high, which is present in between our DOL, we just closed our trade here in this weekly swing high. So initially we targeted like This daily target was around 1 is to 1.8, 1.9, and the weekly target is around 1 is to 1.2. So we planned like together, we can book around 3 hour trade. But yeah, since we got this weekly swing high in between, we just played safe and we just booked all our positions around this weekly swing high. So that's why we booked around 1 is to, sorry, 2.5 hour when combining both trades. So I will show you the real stats. So this is the real stat that we took in a 25K account. So these are all the trades that we actually we accidentally, while placing the limit order, we just placed a somewhat lesser quantity in terms of 10K account. But yeah, after we realized that, we again placed some more orders. So this is the first order which we took in a daily time frame, and these are all the orders which we managed to take in a weekly and daily time frame. So don't see these many orders. Three orders are like cumulative orders of only two narrative, daily and weekly. That's all. So yeah, we book around $475 in this trade, and ideally we aimed for around $550 till this monthly bearish movie. But yeah, we cannot risk our entire profits with this just a price move, right? So yeah, we decided and we closed all the trades. And if another entry is being provided by this market means, yeah, we can go for it. So thank you.